Okay, kwikset deadbolt, pretty simple. First you're going to take off the E-clip on the back. Just keep pressing on it until it comes out. There it goes. Once it comes out, this comes off easily, and it's just basically a regular tumbler. Get the working key inside, turn it sideways. Take whatever tube you can get that fits inside there and keep pushing it. The reason why you want to push it sideways is so if you leave this straight, the spring and pin will fall out, in which you don't want it to. So that's why I turn it sideways instead of being straight with this. So anyways, you're going to push this through and keep pushing and keep pushing and keep pushing and keep pushing until the white piece comes up to the other side. Now with these pieces, you can organize it to whatever you need, but that's if you measure the old key. But I'm not going to, for now. You guys can do that later. This is the new key that the customer wanted to put inside the tumbler. So I already measured it. Remember to measure it, you would go from the very end to the very beginning, closest to the head starts. So first number is going to be, oops, sorry. First number is going to be 3. It's between 3 and 4. The second number is going to be 2. Third number is 2. Fourth number is 2. And the third number is number 3. So you're going to insert it inside. Sorry for the noise in the background. I'm in the break room. So first one is going to be 4. Fits perfectly. You always want it to fit it. You always want it to sit perfectly. Sorry. Nope, not zooming in that well. There we go. So you want it to sit perfectly and let it be flat. Next number is going to be a 2.
All right, sweetie. Thank you.
Next number is going to be another 2. And then another number 2. And then the last one was a 3. So you want all of this to be flat. So that is perfect. Next you're going to do the same thing. Put it sideways from where this, so you see this? You don't want to be lined up like that. You want to go sideways because again, if you leave it straight, you leave a little slot for the springs and the pins to fall through. So turn it sideways. And then keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. And then once pushed, twist and turn to see if it's good. Alright. Now put your thumb back here onto the tumbler itself and then pull on the key while the key is points are pointing up here. And that once you hear the first click, you can pull, doesn't matter. Next, you're gonna put this piece back on, put the E-clip on. Feels a little loose. If it feels a little loose, that's fine. But if it's too loose, you can tighten it up by pressing it down a little. Then put it inside, and like that, we are done rekeying. Okay.